Hey guys, how is it going? It's Alana here. My favorite season's here. I love fall. So I partnered with Pantene to share 3 of my hairstyles for the season without worrying about hair damage. So I'm going to share with you a little routine that I've been using for healthy, shiny hair. And I'm going to start with washing my hair. And I'm going to share a few of the products in between. And then I'm going to showcase Pantene's Curl Spray Gel, which is my current favorite, because it is what I'm using on these hairs to get them so bouncy and textured and like light. I love it. It really makes your hairstyle last all day, and it doesn't have the stickiness or the stiffness that some spray gels have. It's really light and bouncy. So let's start. If I'm showing you how I get healthy hair, I'm going to start from the beginning. So let's start by washing my hair, and I'm going to be using Pantene's Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, let's talk about Pantene's Curl Spray Gel for a second because it is the hero of the day. Now, it says to use this on damp hair, but I also use it on dry hair after I've curled or waved my hair. I just find that my waves have a better hold and it has that beautiful bounce without feeling crunchy, you know? You don't want crunchy waves. So thanks to Pantene's Curl Spray Gel, these waves are going to stay in place and they're ready for further styling. And now I'm going to show you 3 of my current favorite hairstyles for this fall. This is how I created these curls. I mean, if you like the way that they look, then try these products out for yourself. So thank you guys for watching and good luck on your soon-to-be fall adventures. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.